Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus so you can create a distraction profile quickly. Tap the plus sign to add work or choose an existing mode. This matters because each mode controls notifications and appearance. Next, set allowed people and apps so essential contacts still reach you. Once done, decide whether to hide notification badges on the home screen. Make sure to toggle share across devices if you want the same focus on other signed-in devices. You now dig into the detailed controls. Tap Focus Filters to limit mail, calendar, and messages. This reduces noise at the app level. Then set a schedule or enable smart activation so the mode turns on by time, location, or app usage. This saves you manual switching. Also customize a home screen page and lock screen appearance to surface only the apps and widgets you need. These steps keep your workflow intact while blocking interruptions at key moments. You finish by testing. Swipe to Control Center and enable your focus to see how notifications and screens change immediately. Use the mode for a short session and confirm allowed people and apps behave as you expected. This shows why you customized filters. If it doesn't activate or sync, make sure share across devices is on and that device time and software are up to date. If problems persist, toggle the focus off and on. Then reboot your iPad to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.